and today's Christmas, and I don't want to be partying with my family and then like
I got the big ones for Dad.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's so awesome, guys, to be able to spend Christmas all together.
Merry Christmas, SV Squad.
Say Merry Christmas, SV Squad.
Merry Christmas, SV Squad.
Welcome to Hawaii. Oh!
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Good morning, guys. SV Squad. I'm so sorry. Actually, I don't even want to start this vlog like this. First of all, Merry Christmas, SV Squad. Merry a freaking Christmas. It is Christmas Day. Now, listen, it's not that deep. It's really not that deep. It's just a happy holiday time. You could probably tell I've not been vlogging at all this holiday period. I've not been vlogging. Okay, 2 weeks ago, quick update, very quick, stay with me. 2 weeks ago, I was extremely busy at work, acting in higher duties, and just no time at all to edit or anything. So it's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I've gotten a vlog out and picked up the camera even. And then I had my sister's weddings and stuff. I vlogged all of that. I just have not posted it. You probably have seen it by now. And then I started feeling really sick a couple of days ago. I do not have COVID. I've done tests just because I want to know that I'm doing the right thing by by the government authorities, I guess. And I didn't want to go out if I had it, you know what I mean? So I just went and I did 3 tests, all negative, and so I believe it's just like the flu or a cold. I've been doing and drinking a lot of stuff to help me get better because I want to get better. And today's Christmas, and I don't want to be partying with my family and then like no. So the past couple of days I have been trying really hard to get better. And guys, it's Christmas, so I haven't been feeling too good. So thank you so much to Uelese. He stayed up most of the night last night making our dish. Anyways, so we are taking vaifala. Uelese made the vaifala, Uelese made fa'alifu, Uelese made potato salad. We're also taking meats because my brother, as you guys know, bought a new house and he bought a new barbecue with that. It's like a fancy one or whatever. So we're taking meats, and I made rumbles. I love rumbles, honestly. I love rumbles. Ulce's not a fan. He's just not used to it. Like the texture and the concept of like mushy biscuit kind of, I don't know, but I love rumbles. But also we're going to Sydney soon, and I'm also taking my parents. But guys, don't mind my voice. I mean, it just sounds like this, but it's really not that bad. So all the stuff is over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can't see it, but don't worry. So I'm going to take off some memory off this camera, charge my batteries because we were supposed to do games. I'm going to stop talking. Okay guys, I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a disclaimer. This isn't our typical party, and I want to give you guys some context. We have a lot to celebrate. I mean, it was Christmas Day, everyone was vibing, but also my brother just moved into his house, so my parents were mainly like celebrating that. It's honestly, like I said before, a proud family moment, just because, you know, we really came from the bottom and now we're here kind of thing. And yeah, my dad and both my parents, my family, my uncle, we were all just super excited, super proud, super happy, and everyone was vibing. So that's what you saw, and yeah, it's not our typical, but I just wanted to let you guys know. Hey Junie, Merry Christmas! Hi! Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hey,
Look,
Ooh.
I got the big ones for Dad.
Are your sinuses going off or something?
Huh?
Are your sinuses going off or something? Merry Christmas.
We'll grill 'em. Get 'em ready.
Wow, looks so nice now.
Huh?
Looks nice and full.
Solid. See how it mix?
Hey, where can I put this? My arms.
Awesome.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Feliz Kala.
In my young photo in there,
Wow, so beautiful. Hey, 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 guys. Y'all were waiting for me, weren't y'all? What's going on? Are you guys filming or what? What's going on? Why are you so angry? Hey, girl. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, can I not sound so sick?
Wait, why are you so sick?
Yeah.
Nah, don't worry. I don't have COVID. I already did a test. Guys, oh my gosh. Why do I sound like this? I hate it. It's alright, guys. I'm going to get better. But... oh my gosh, my brother's house is so nice and his family. I love the high ceilings, the pool, the greenery. It's just so good. It's a big space, enough for everybody. Enough space for everyone. Look at these two in their matching shirts. Oh, thank you. Merry Christmas to be.
Merry Christmas, SV Squad!
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, tell them to come to this game.
Merry Christmas, Dad. Merry Christmas.
You look nice.
Oh, thank you. You too. Olha ali a minha assosso.
We are Christmas. Hey, kau siap pada Pak Air kamera.
Did you put some ice in your baifala? Where is it? It's so awesome, guys, to be able to spend Christmas all together. I love my brother's new house. It's so beautiful. Shout out to him and his family for letting us have Christmas here, hosting Christmas yet again. Oh, his noodle. Eddie. Say Merry Christmas, SV Squad. No, I can't see you. Here.
Wait,
Say Merry Christmas, SV Squad.
Merry Christmas, SV Squad.
Merry Christmas, SV Squad. Thank you for coming along with us.
This whole year.
This whole year, yeah.
It's not really been a great year, but
Yeah, thank you for being with us. Wherever we go, you guys.
guys, these are my rumbles that I made. They smell so nice. It's rumbles.
Oh, Vicky, can I have a taste test?
Yeah, I put a bit much rum in there.
Oh, where's Aussie?
He was been carrying everything in.
Oh, just carrying everything in now.
No, he already did.
Already did.
Do you want rumbles?
Thank you.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of rum in it. It's like a Christmas dessert.
Is it like hard?
Oh, it was in the fridge. Yeah?
You make this?
Dad. Rumble. Wait a rum. Rum. It's not chocolate, it's rum. Do you want one of these?
Oh yeah. Protein boy, hey.
No, it's Rumble. Rumble. It's got rum in it. Alcohol.
Nah, you don't come up. Hey, who cooked the PP?
Filippo. That's what they were bringing. Guys, you want a Rumble? Oh my gosh, Tua, you look so nice.
What is that?
Rumble. I'm not sure if
thank
you're
you.
allowed one, I saw, but it's just a tiny little bit of rum in it, so you
What's
can.
in it?
Rum.
They're good. Merry Christmas. Cheers.
It smells so bad, like smoke and...
Yeah, Why do you wake that up? Do you know who that sounded like? Now.
I forgot to ask if you saw Nels today.
Yeah, he told Pastor that his mom said he can come for 2 or 3 hours.
He's such a... That guy has FOMO so bad. Oh, it was not on. Seriously. Ew. Oh my god. She thought I was mum. Move, Hardy, Mayo, move. Bruh. 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 Oh my god. Yeah, your turn, your turn. I see your turn. Whoa. Merry Christmas. Oh my God. Go out there. Go to my way, go to my way. Wait, yeah, lava, comma. What's going on here, guys? Oh my gosh, my feet.
Trying to put this up.
What is it?
Get under it. Help us. It's me.
Oh my gosh, this is a Zumba song.
Is it?
Yeah.
Buffet style. Lots of food. No one's gonna starve.
No one is starving today.
Guys, I'm about to go swim now. Look at my swim machine. Never pelu.
Oi, oi. Kalian pun orang makan lo. Ya. Lepas dulu siap dimai. Hai.
Hey, Mokken, are you going swim? Aisha. Maonga. Molly's already in there.
Yeah, Molly. Yeah.
Oh, Sia.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe.
I'm already getting hot.
Put some sunscreen.
Yeah, I will actually. Oh my gosh, it's working!
They just go straight to the floor.
Guys, we're here, we're live! Oh yeah, it's working now. Hey girl!
Hi guys, I went down the slide.
I didn't see you.
I went down the
I
slide.
didn't see you, but I'm seeing her.
Because I went down the slide.
Go up and show.
Okay. I don't know. We're out of the way. We are.
Donnie's here, guys. Welcome to Hawaii. It's the light starter kit. Nice.
I just started flying. Merry Christmas, everybody! It's your grandma, and I'm in the pool. Okay, here, volley. Okay, listen. If you jump at your pig in the middle, No. Bruh, you did not even get to see our win. We won. We won, guys.
Right then.
Oh,
Photo right.
my dad. Did you have so much fun today?
Yes, heaps.
Heaps of fun. Here you go, Mon. It's your birthday present. No, I just had to use that, but it's not from Santa. No, I got it for you. Happy birthday. In a couple of days. Guys, I am so burnt. I'm so burnt. My throat is like, I feel fine, I just don't sound fine. The men are drunk, so they were not able to help us pack. Thank God, it's me and Sia did it. Mom, may nakilay ko na mo now.
Bueno. Ja, serieus gan. Moet je keel voor paar
Guys, we're here at the park now. Everyone's relocated because my brother has gone to spend Christmas with his in-laws, the dinner time. So we're all here, still chilling. Everyone's still very, you know, drunk. It's not something we do all the time, but it is Christmas, so... Hey guys. What the hell is this? I don't know why Aussie found this and glasses. They are. Christmas still isn't over for us. Sorry, I haven't picked up the camera since when you last seen. But I'm about to open my KK gift my family had. So this is my first one. I don't know who. I have an idea of who had me, but not 100%. Look at my gift, guys. I'm so happy with it. I love it, guys. Thank you to whoever had me. Oh, so kind. It's just because every time I cut my meat, it's so goodbye. I hate that it's goodbye. It has a sharpener, so...